Hey, in this video we break down Node.js for AI agents, what it is, how the loop works, and why every real agent needs it. AI can think, but it can't do anything until you give it hands. Node.js is how that happens. One install gives you everything. npm install Anthropic, then you define your tools, read files, write files, fetch URLs, query databases. The agent picks which tool it needs. You just handle the execution. The loop is simple. User gives a task, AI thinks about what to do. Node.js actually runs it. The result feeds back to the AI, and it repeats until the task is done. Watch it work. One prompt. The agent fetches weather data, writes a report, logs it to the database. 3 tools, 1.8 seconds, no manual steps. Same pattern works for almost anything. Deploy and monitor infrastructure. Orchestrate 5 APIs in one prompt. Analyze data and generate reports. Build smart alerting that actually decides when to alert. Automate entire document workflows. Here's what surprised me. The agentic loop is simpler than you think. You're not building something magical. You're just giving the AI a toolkit. Node.js is the toolkit. Tools, agent, loop, everything else is just defining new tools. Follow. We build and break things every week.